heck? What the heck is... Our family is crazy.
I don't think so.
Yeah. What the heck?
You don't look like Santa Claus to me.
Listen, you know what? I found crap all over Hamburg one year. Never again. They came to the North Pole and they found me.
You gotta be sweaty.
Here,
Abominable snow Santa.
never run out of crap ever again.
Happy birthday, Larry. This is the only kind to use, by the way. It doesn't rip through, you know, your fingers don't go through this stuff.
Quit scratching your butt.
We're free.
Larry, is that why you called to find out what I used?
Does anybody have a light?
There's one in the car.
And I told her only the good stuff.
But there's more to it. First of all, when he was in,
Wait, you got chocolate.
when he was snowed in,
Hey,
Now get a hug from the Yeti. Get a hug from the Yeti. Everybody loves the Yeti.
I want to tell you why we got him toilet paper. First of all, I had a party at my house one time, and he called me 2 days later saying, I'm going to drop you off some toilet paper. It's better than the stuff you use. And he dropped me off 2 rolls. So then, Rose, or Catherine, was wondering, what are we going to get him for his birthday? And one of the girls said, oh, dress him in a
Someone's crying.
and bring him toilet paper. I said, oh my gosh, toilet paper. He loves toilet paper.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you about this toilet paper. If you have the cheap stuff, you just keep wrapping it around and the finger still goes through it. Not this. This is good stuff.
I said, oh my gosh, this is perfect. And when he got snowed in, the only thing he complained about
What is this?
ran out of toilet paper.
I smell cake.
I think I'm set for 2 years.
I smell cake.
Ready? Oh yeah, now what's
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, young Larry. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
This is so special.
And because you didn't want a big fuss, we didn't make a big fuss.
Right. Now, you couldn't have bought me anything better. I'm so happy. What's in here?
Put it in the garbage. Wait,
More toilet paper?
no. More toilet paper. I just looked at us and we walked out. We were like,
What do you guys think I need?
No, Rose gave me.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, I knew all you needed was blizzard.
What's that thing on?
Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here.
and you can eat all one day.
You can eat it, and then when you go poop,
No, you can.
I got the stuff.
that's right.
This is what
We thought it through.
M&Ms, by the way. Oh, yeah, good. Love M&Ms. Oh, you got anything?
Mariah, please be careful.
What else we got in here?
Yeah.
You got marmalade and a bag.
Yeah, I don't want to get on your soup.
Ooh, more M&Ms. What else is in here?
You're 70?
Yes.
Cooking sauce.
He doesn't look 70, does he? He looks
No, you look 60.
I love you, kid. Oh, caramel corn? What is this? You want to drink some?
You tried to give him diabetes. You did.
Mima picked it out. I didn't.
She tried to give him
Mackerel.
diabetes.
Will they let me go over the border with this stuff?
Oh, yeah.
I'll just tell them later.
Is that sriracha sauce?
You
Chicken
betcha.
sauce. Oh, this is really great stuff. Thanks, Rose.
Did you see that little
You guys have a good time.
The what?
Are you leaving us?
Oh, no.
Okay, do you need some help?
Look back.
Oh, wait a minute.
Not going that way.
Him and Larry.
Oh, what is this? Oh, I bet you like to drink that.
Coolest thing in there, we broke it. It was champagne dressing and we broke it.
Oh, well,
smells good.
there's so much stuff in there.
Smelled good, Lena.
Do you need the basket? You want the basket?
No, we don't.